In this video we have listed best oats in India. First product of the list is Bagrry white oats, and the main features of the product are follows. A healthy whole grain product that promotes weight loss. Effective product for heart health. Enriched with high protein, fiber and fat. Improve the functions of cells and tissues. Second product of the list is Kellogg's Oats, and the main features of the product are as follows. Healthy food for breakfast. Contains all vital nutrients. Support heart health and weight loss. No cholesterol and preservatives. 100% vegetarian product. 12 months maximum shelf life. Third product of the list is Eco Valley Hearty White Oats, and the main features of the product are as follows. High in fiber and protein. Quick to prepare the product. Effective for heart health. Helps to reduce bad cholesterol. Promotes weight loss. Natural source of dietary fiber. Fourth product of the list is Quaker Oats pouch, and the features of the product are as follows. Effective product for heart health. Natural source of protein and dietary fiber. 100% vegetarian product. Easy and quick to prepare. Promotes weight loss. Contains zero sugar and cholesterol. Last product of the list is True Elements rolled oats, and the main features of the product are as follows. A healthy breakfast alternative. Rich in high protein and dietary fiber. 100% gluten-free product. Contains essential antioxidants. Effective for heart health, skin health, and weight loss. For more information visit to www.apolloedoc.co.in.